Kena ndo mwanchumuliri no matagereri kabisa somurubuli etuani ensamo ne yakane yabono mambia nagotebinga toso ensamo yakane singambo yagetembe ngo batuna balimu gaiga bagende baitokuru siskureli ya Kitutu Masaba Technical Navigation College ya siskureli bobundi ya Kitutu emambi yabono ngukwenera mwalimu Langat yoromo registrar na boigo mwalimu Ochoi uyiboigo okurase skuru yo bono mambia. Good morning, karibu sana mwanchumuliri nchekuru kwa Geoffrey Nsarigo no murubuli etuani yagetembe na Gatembe Radio na Gatembe Television. Good morning, karibu sana wageni ndani ya studio. Kidogo tuanze na mwalimu ama na Mr. Langat, atuambie kwa majina wewe ni nani, pia unafanya nini Kitutu Masaba Technical Navigation College.
Asante sana Dennis. Kwa majina ni Victor Kiplangat. Mimi ni registrar wa Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College. Nakushukuru sana, nashukuru Gatembe TV and Radio for giving us this chance so that we enlighten the community about Kitutu Masaba.
All right. Asante sana bwana Victor Langat. Najua tukizungumzia juu ya Victor Langat kutoka na jina, labda msikilizaji na mtazamaji anaweza tambua unatoka wapi. Kwa hivyo kwa sababu kwa hapa na runinga yetu ya Gatembe na radio hii idhaa ya 102.7 FM tumetamba kote nchini. Naomba tu usalimie wenzako pale nyumbani, waambie pia uko kwa Kilua tu, waambie uko Gatembe kwa Kilua.
Nasalimu watu wa nyumbani Kericho County. Ninawaambia wamune asante sana.
Waambie mawili matatu bana. Mawili matatu waambie uko Gatembe. Unajua pia pale Kericho juzi tumekuwa pale, tunasikika vizuri sana. Najua kuna wale wanategea pale Kericho ambao watafurahia kusikia lugha yako hapa ndani.
Alenchini kostoika Gatembe TV kwa Kericho ulimboga kimitole ago otawatinonele kimita komnye Kitutu Masaba Technical College.
Asante sana bwana Victor Langat. Onye tuigweti juu yako, ikiwa ukusikiza juu yako sisi tumesikiza mambo ya Victor Langat, registrar pale Kitutu Masaba Technical. Bwana Uchoi.
Yes.
Wakirivia tutebya ningo na ade nkiokora Kitutu Masaba.
Mbia mono asiribaga muralia. Mbia mono soko bageri.
Okay.
Samarita nje ngoro ku Moses Ochoi.
Yes.
Aliase skulu ya Kitutu Masaba ni gondo mwalimu. Oyo tenelete nsemo ye computer. Yes.
Computing and informatics.
Yes, computing and informatics.
Karibu sana mwalimu Ochoi. Bono mambia mwanchumuligeli iko kwa igule mwalimu Ochoi na mwalimu Nomo registrar bwana Langat na butoko sana bono mambiga batoerera mangi goro bakora skuru ya Kitutu Masaba skuru ya bobundi ya baseyemo igayo mwenyene gutubwati bono mambia no boteli bagali ko igwa mangana ya onsi asobo nsubu chisemi. Good morning, karibu sana tubaisiguska. Kidogo labda tukianza tunapozungumzia juu ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College. Najua kuna msikilizaji pale bwana Rangat anasumbuka sana. Naomba kwamba nirudi kwa ndugu Ochoi, tuambie eskuru ya Kitutu Masaba ni nkieki na adega jego toka.
Asante sana muralia. Soko ngali bageli ko leta eskuru ya Kitutu Masaba. So eskuru ya Kitutu Masaba nigo ela sa koro kuanga Kitutu Masaba constituency as a location ya Mongoni on your way from Kisi to Keroka Road aswa koro kuanga Bidongo abuna wa school ya Mongoni gotoka na Kitutu Masaba ne school yobo bundi elie korua chikosi ao chiobo bundi na bonda chakere chikosi ekova
andake tutagenda chikosi ekova. Whatever school iga ere chinsomo chia Mongoni.
Yes, chinsomo chia Mongoni.
Yes.
Yeah.
Bono unajua pia abantu bale batotegera tebono mambia naomba kwamba muwazaidie wala ambao wangependa kujiunga na shule hii watawapata namna gani, watawafikia namna gani, labda kwa njia ya simu. Bwana Langat kama registrar wa shule Kitutu Masaba mwenye angependa kujiunga na shule atawafikia kwa njia gani?
Kitutu Masaba College tunafikiwa kupitia nambari ya simu 0743 480 999 ama kwa another number is 0782 490-068. Wanaweza tufikia pia through email kitutumasaba@tvc@gmail.com, and also tunapatikana kwa social media, Facebook @Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College, and even TikTok @Kitutu Masaba TVC.
Kwa hivyo mtu angependa kujiunga na taasisi ya Kitutu Masaba, siwe na shida, anaweza wafikia kupitia kwa njia ya simu katika mtandao wa ukurasa kitabu, yani Facebook, pale TikTok na mitandao yote ya kijamii muko pale.
Tuko.
Asante sana Bwana Langat. Karibu. Nkimokuru abaona Kitutu Masaba.
Kitutu Masaba.
Na ndego saba ukwana ngene mege kwanireke na liri yogire lira sokebya amotegeria igwe amangana yonsibya gusukangena maiki yuyibe kangena sure eligero sange no motegerari.
Asante sana Morolia. Kitutu Masaba ne skulu muna abona tebali tangani ne skulu yobobundi ekolwa chikosi ao chobobundi. Togo chakana building and construction. Building and construction ne chikosi chobwagachi. So we se chikosi chobwagachi ntobwate chikosi ao chire anda as a building ntobwate ekosi ya plumbing. Plumbing na abantu bali bakorosia chi amache chicho chibafu onye nyumba yago gega nili korosi kwa bwate nyumba yago bwate cho nyumba no muntu plumbing yokoligia tobwate masonry tobwate carpentry na bantu bagodili ne bintu chifanja awao and then tobwate now the civil engineering. So echichonsi echide under building and the construction asensemo yobwagachi na ntobwate what call water engineering but no ilande as a ensemo ya building. So under that courses ntobwate level 3, level 4, level 5 and the last level 6. Level 6 asabali batamanyeti ne liye korokunga diploma. Level 5 certificate. Level 4 it's artisan. So that's under building and construction asense moyo bwagachi. And then tobwate school yo bufundi wa estima. So estima nigo tobwate na aloji level mbali from level 3 to level 6 na SMO stima nelinga ebakusubikala mangana ye electronics yani ese bintu byokolipia muna TV chi radio kende gyonske ko ba applied ne stima nabo igo nabo bagokola installation of electricity yani oko install power okoigeka chingulu kyo modelo. So that is electrical. So you nabyo tokoba na it's from level 4 to level 6. Na then to what is course ya cost methodology. Cost methodology ne course yobo tokolokanga oborembesi
ndianga tebinga kikuru kwa sike gusia senche bange mutambe kosi ya cosmetology abange baliko nyatra sike gusia kuru kwa mangana umayete ketukwa na oborembo nogo sisa chinye nchene chintere na mangana okorosie kini gorosie tuki n'ibintu na mangana ibieni bya baswati na mwanya bantu.
Yes wono ntubwate kosi ya cosmetology na mwiguro mulalia tabide ko usioma ete sometimes abage ko changanya. So ntubwate level 3 mpaka level 6 wono agase kosi yeye nonye botagete obo murembo nyeno muiseke abuno gwikaranso urembese buya at least yoro kare kieni onye ko abwate kieni abuno ko kanekieni warosi wagatuki buya no rene chinchara kwarosi buya chia kwende buya irangi buya at least kwarora kanekieni abuna sense moya cost methodology na ntobwate chikosi ekosi ende under fashion design egodili na mangana yobosoni aigabono no konyola nganye nkalansi teiga omosoni lyago ikalansa anchore munande Gwethless fashion design.
Ile suti ni jobegete uno mwanafunzi akoleta mangana fashion design.
Abana banafunzi abakoleta mangana ayu. So nabagochola munore pakali mubero boyigete abagochola. Bona se course yeyo to kwate level 3, 4 and 5. Yogo dili no bosoni. Ntobwate course yende ambalo under hospitality hospitality and tourism department yego dili na mangana yo borugi iyo nyego tagete ntobwate catering nyego tagete abantu bali
Crossing
Roseli ndagera kubwate moyegonde injoki tutumasaba nande nonyola barugia baya bali bagugosaba buya so ande course yetu bwate level 4 level 5 and level 6 ase okoruga no kubanga buya no gusabwa abageni buya so ntubwate course yende korokunga business and entrepreneurship yuna mangana ensema ya biashara so asa mangana ya biashara ntubwate ekostokroka secretario yebwate from level 4 to level 6 na ntubwate egento gekorokunga human resource na ntubwate egento gekorokunga office administration ono secretario nkagetenga onye gotagete secretaria liesole office osumbogete inero toko train abantu bachi kokola secretario na amangana supply and management and say year and say procurement ono chiko selectionsi no chitokova ali executive masaba etubwate level na step atubwate level 4 to level 6 nande tubwate course chinde chia mechanical and automotive mechanical and automotive igana auto kodili ne gari onye gari yago ya salikire no tubwate chi mechanic baegeri bago igore gari yago buya kabisa banye chomwa kabisa banye ruskele gento nande bairania nande karo bairaniri nande ba test kwa nga gari yago yakolireki ya beire that is under mechanical department and to what under mechanical to what again to go kunga refrigeration igano sechi fridge no mwana go cho somele mana fridge mune fridge yako kolegazi nyore ne karo yani fridge kolwe segari mpaka nyone chilichiko tubika mojali one kero koruga na boko nyola maybe na boko na kolegas nyone se chinyakitali ntobwate course ya welding no bosambrelia bosambrelia chichuma nini so ebinte binge bikolos kuna chichuma no tobwate abafundi bako sambrelia through the course ya welding and then tobwate course ya bono tiganche se course yane ne rona chiete ngaruka ne ronda che at least inkolele tobwate asenche mna batainga nko somie computer and engineering computer so under computer ntobwate chi course sato ntobwate korokunga ICT technician netobwate from level 4 to level 6 ono ekalogo so agokora ICT technician ni go ICT technician ne kosingia sana akala wako ICT technician nabogo kore egasia ndonsi asotagete egentege tangani chiskulu cyo bubundi echiachire metaba ntabange batetenga ngo kore egasiga iga ngende ni office aseto kile telas moge ndoli office nabogo igora egasi yago one for example aseji ya ICT technician all levels naboko rugabu ochak oigore workshop yago yokorosi computer that is computer repairing no ko repair jisimu na maybe no ko install maybe CCTV that is under ICT abunekero otete ko kolegasi abweka otete kolikwa again nabako kolegasi bado oli kwane serikali gosoli kwane company ndeyonzi so kalo koleta ICT nabako developing into tokoloka chi application abande mbale batamete chi application timetingeke gusina kitura keloke lakini chi application echiriwono muno kolonyola example na WhatsApp bintu munebyo bonekero koleta ICT nabako develop chi application ao nende aibono okolokwe developer so ekerole developer nabako likwa egasi na ofisi endeyonzi gusa ebyeko mwenyene welike igobondra lasimo koleki olikwe nande kalokota ICT ntobwate gento kekolunga networking ego dili na maungana yo kobwatania maybe for example ntobwate onye se company bono for example Safaricom tukuluka networking no connect abantu no mutandao onekero koleta ICT nabo at least okokonya abantu under networking kwaba connect aso mutandao gekola boni get technology tole neyo okogenda online ekokole byasale binge no online bile. So that is the way ola nabo kola biko igole byasale byako bya networking wasoli kwa ase ekwende ya networking nande ekalokolete course yega pia nabo koli kwa mune technician as a company. So yonkale tenga ekwende yebwate opportunity nyinge nabo okoli kwa mune technician asande pia nabo koli kumuna administrator. Yeah, so that is under ICT technician from both level 4 to level 6. Nandabo natebanga again to kende ne video tabankelinga naboko oko develop a website. For example, to what a website ito ya Kitutu Masaba mostly na banafunzi ba developed. So as you can see ICT nebwate more opportunities. And then to what a course yende korokunga cyber security. Cyber security no elenda ICT na cyber security ngiko dili nero. Cyber security ni go dili ne over in the world system technology. Ekaloro online is about cyber security.
Yes.
So na omwanafunzi ekala somile cyber security nga yako chikokolegas. Egentege tangani kala somile na bako akweliko monyene aigole company yae egodili na mangana security
yobole ndibwe metandao
apart from that na bakoli kune company osina bakoli kunane government. For example, kalokolete cyber security nabo okoli kwa na CID for security investigation amangana yobotuki online. So abuno ola kolegasi. Apart from that nabo ko banande security analyst kwa analyze
kwa balingoli bobolendi
obolingoli online as a company gete kwa maya ko bakonya ngagaiga ndochenge system ya ine ya very hacked akuno ola kole na legacy. So ntobwate opportunity chinyinge ntobwate course yekorokunga network system administrator nero nere Ireland ICT na mostly nigo ekero mwana funsi asomle yega niga kumanya mangano sia networking niga kumanya mangano singa kiago administer nga kiako lenda a network ya create and then kiago create a network bono noyo na bago kolega sia ndonsi na bago kola en company na bago kolega sia serikali na bago elika bweka. Basically chikosi echiga chia magoko echilengete asebono twekile nga omwana nyore toliko nyorega asi ase office gete gosesa serikali na boko nyala kwelika ayebweka igonga telas moli kwene serikali. Na ndento bwate ekosi ekorokunga computer science nero na benga related na ICT. So ekorokorete ekosi yeye nero na boko kola egasi andons na boko elika wieka through korosti application korosti website because it's under programming na boko kolega si office. So anene mono ekorotogo somichi kosi echi ya magoko ntoli ku expect kwamba ngo mwana ali ku somewhere okolikwa o prepare wiko monyene na bokwelika kebla konge nanda bokolige gasi. So it's a two way olige gasi osokole oigole biasara byago. Apart from this chikosi echiga ntobwate chikosi kinde chinyenge chikosi short course tokoloka chi short course. One for example ntobwate course ya under ICT ntobwate course ya
andake ekero kwa nire chikosi au kidogo tunachikwenda chiri chinkembi mono sana sincho genderusa nganaitu mchumuli lino kukunyolinga Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College na Ubarase studio mwalimu Joy na boigo registrar bana Victor Langat na Ubarigasi studio. Kidogo tukiingia kwako mrajisi ambaye ni msajili, unajua wewe kama msajili wa taasisi ya Kitutu Masaba amezungumzia masuala ya kosi mbalimbali na katika viwango mbalimbali. Sasa swali kuu ni kwamba kwa msikilizaji labda mzazi ama mwanafunzi ambaye angependa kujiunga nanyi requirement entry grades ni zipi katika taasisi kulingana na courses ambazo ametuelezea pale mwalimu Choi?
Yeah. Asante sana. Kwa courses zetu tuko na levels. Tuko na level 3, level 4, level 5 and level 6. So I'll start from level 6, the highest. The entry requirement for level 6 is C- and above. So kama mtu akona C-, akona C, akona C+, hata A, he or she can join a diploma. That's level 6 at Kitutu Masaba College. Then we have now level 5, a lower level, which the entry grade is D and D+. Then when you come down, we have level 6, the entry grade is E and D-. So hata kama mtu alipata E huko, still anaweza ingia technical college. Then now we have wale wa class 8 wenye walifanya KCPE, ama hata kuna mwenye akufanya KCPE. There is still a pathway in which that person can join technical college. So that person can start from NITA, afanye grade test 3, and then after grade test 3 afanye grade test 2. After grade test 2, that person now can join level 4 in TVET college. Yeah.
Kwa hivyo ni kusema kwamba kulingana na mahitaji ama kulingana na yote ambayo mngependa mwanafunzi awe nayo, ni kwamba level ile ya level 6 umesema hiyo inalinganishwa na diploma.
Diploma, yeah.
Mwanafunzi anafaa kuwa na grade ya C-
and above.
And above.
Yeah.
Ikiwa ni level 5, hiyo ni certificate.
Hiyo ni certificate, and the entry grade is D or D+.
Mwanafunzi awe na D na kwenda juu.
Yeah.
Ikiwa level 4,
level 4 we have E and above, which is E, D-.
hiyo ni artisan.
Yeah.
Alright, asante bwana mwenche muligiriri nkoleginga kuigura magana yonsi kulingana na kilikiganira skuru ya Kitutu Masaba TVC yere skuru ya Burundi ejo kwendera kuwegeria nabo kwene kinga ya kwire chise michingi ya sumurukiwa na ibwato moyo buku kende kikora mwalimu wa uchoi na bwana msajili bwana Rangat wako ndani ya studio kutuelimisha na kutufahamisha yale yote ambayo yanahitajika pale. Bwana mwalimu ngwa kwendera igoro ya short courses inchi cheche mubati chikusi chinke
ya ase Kitutu Masaba ntobwate chikosi chinke ngo cha class computer ntobwate course ya computer packages ya EU to koila 3 months na ekarogwa kore course yeye I think egosomi iguru ya digital literacy no bwente go tumie computer ase twekire ngakiyiga kero muntu abwente kumanye computer. So it is necessary yani ewenelete kero muntu asome computer for ase yogotumia gekogera no gende university no genda ansi andonsi noga neligo soma computer. So course yeto ko ila 3 months na ntuliko chachi pesa nyinge toko chachi chipesa chinge muna 2500 na ndintobwate course yende ya Ireland computer tokorokanga mobile repair services. Mobile repair services ne course tokorwa under 3 months pia nero ekero mwana akolire gari na bakwenda igore biasara byaye achake gukorera abantu the services of mobile repairing, yani so korosia chisimi not chisimi chioka ntobwate na egento gekorokunga computer repair. So as a short course again no umwana ago kera kolire korwa na bakwenda igore workshop yae achake go tengeneza achake korosie besa asogorosia gisimi ne laptop na ndintobwate a short course yende korokunga driving na mangana yo bogendia. So currently ntobwate abanafunzi abange bali under driving na ntobwate abalimu abaya sana bagosomia driving. So kero kwa chirali na bogosomi go kore driving yabo amangana yo Burundi within 1 to 3 months wakodire na ande kwanyodire license yago nayo chaka kogende chipa
bure kumogendi para
omogendi para. So those are the courses tubwate chia short courses
chiri chinke
na ndi tubwate gento gekoronga CCTV installation bado noela nda ICT. So CCTV ne mangana yoko yo kobeka eranda so security tatebege obulendi
chikamera chobulendi chibiche ya
kamera chobulendi ambapo nabo kero kwamanyire mwanafunzi amanyire gaiga nabakoyanda story ando nseso montaga netyo obulendi enyumba oko installer biyaiga oko connect nyone simi nyone kala ola sole iga ayetoli konya kusumbuka nga kinati ebintu ayo koligerie simi gonda ikenabo kegendera taiga it's from asobulendi bwo install SSTV na ndento bwate ekosi ende kolokunga RPL ile meaning recognition planning ekosi ye nego enchela ntonde bwensi onde bwensi obwate en skill no mwa achiole obe no maybe ne kabenta obe ngwa kolete no mayite gukora networking lakini ngwa kolete ICT no mayite gukora repair phones ngwa kolete ICT no mayite gukora electronic repair kende gyose lyo mayite kya magoko en course yo mayite ya magoko lakini ngwa chieto nyore certificate bona ni gogo chagalie school okane chibesa kya matemu chyoka chikoro kunga 3500 ogenda okorerwa assessment kero gwakorerwa assessment oegwe certificate ye nego chikokokonya at least koraga niko genda nyoe mpumache mumbu na bande bakogenda ogotumie certificate ye kosi ye nigo yachiri kwenebo abantu at least bali batanyorete chance yogosoma yokogenderera lakini abwate skill ya abwate obumanyi anyore certificate neranyare ko agendereri one skill ye kosi ye nabego kwa nande egetambo kende onye kwa lingo sense standard 8 okanyora okaendese kosi ye okaegwe level gete nabona ande okupanda SLB ku level 3 bako ikenyo level 7 so echina chikosi chama chinke tokoba aliese Kitutu Masaba college
andake kidogo labda mwalimu bwana msajili registrar tukiongea juu ya recognition planning unajua kuna wale kidogo tu mfumo umeleta mambo mazuri sana kuna mtu anasumbuka recognition planning kidogo kwa mawili machache kuhusiana na hili jambo
recognition of prior learning ni the government sahi inajaribu kurecognize skills so that kuna wenye wanafanya kazi lakini hawana certificate so kazi inaweza patikana ile ya kuajiri kama kazi machu and they want certificate na wewe huko hapo unajua kufanya welding yako unajua kuchenga unajua kuweka tiles lakini hauna certificate so the government ilisema we can give certificates to these people so this RPL is very good because now you just come and then we test you on skills hakuna kuandika unafanya tu kama ni kuchenga tunakupea kazi unaambiwa we chenga hii that's the assessment ukichenga vizuri you are given a certificate kama ni kuweka stima tunakupea tu assessment and then as long as you have experience maybe 5 years or 10 years and you are able to do so we look at what you are able to do and then we give you certificate according to the level it's either level 3 or level 4 for now
na ukizungumzia juu ya mambo na modular system because najua kwamba katika mfumo huu kuna changes nowadays we have modular kidogo zungumzia juu ya modular curriculum
curriculum sahi we are dealing with modular curriculum system change in modular we have a same entry point and different exit point so ule mtu wa mtu wa D- up to C or above they end at the same point now ule alikuwa anaenda level 3 will exit at module 1 fanya tu module 1 ikiisha na exit then mwenye anafanya level 5 level 4 sorry ana exit at module 2 after module 2 that person exits then mwenye anafanya level 5 ana exit at module 4 or module 5 depending on the course mwenye anafanya level 6 ana exit at module 6 or module 7 depending again on the length of the course so that one now has given us flexibility ule wa level 6 ana exit at level 4 aenda afanye kazi kidogo
Ndiye arudi
Akirudi,
akipata pesa.
anaendelea na mahali alitokea. So anaingia tu, anaendelea, anasukuma mpaka mwisho tena.
Omwalimu choi ambake kubika mangana somo nweke gusibi ya modular system ekinkie kegekora kalimu wanafunzi akachiri skuru soma mpaka ukora nkie kebone serikali yaletire
modular system ne system ingi ya serikali yaleta anda ketigancha kile system eli enkoro system eli enkoro twale enkoro ka 844 844 ogosoma emiaka 8 primary emiaka ene secondary alafu kwa makorwa kwa gende university and 4 years but bone module ye chile na benga bono muna CPC module ye chile ase okwa bana egasi ngororo lasimo somenga 4 years manya kwa egasi module ya ene program ya serikali ya letile na wasoma nyo module ye mentangani kero kwa kode module na bogo kola oegwe certificate ogende koligie gas ande kwanyorire gas gogotakanga jili tukoliri otete ngakiri tete nande ogendera masomo na bokwira na ndo chakira ali sigwa chakire so inero modular yani tabana flexibility yo ko exit and end point asa masomo na ande kwirana at end point na module yega currently tobwate ogosoma one term wakola matem karo wakore matema ya module 1 wake module 2 so na obuyabwa ne linga okokora kwanyore certificate kwagenda kuligie gasi after kwa nyore nande gotaka ko exceed gotaka ko commenta masomo anabokwirana na ndo chakirali esikwalenge obuna buyabwa modular system ase somo yaboniga.
Right, mwancho muligereri mwancho mategereri ekingincho kirigai gankiringa ogende gusanga na abalimu kurugaria anse ensemeli ya Kitutu Masaba gukonera umu register ama mjili bwana Victor Langat na boigo umwalimu otenda manganalia ya mangana obo research computer niga kurugu mwalimu choi ya semo bono mambia bago kubo manyi nki skuru yeganeti bago tebenge skuru na bako nyora gali sisomo ya Kitutu ensebya munguni kirwe ikirigali na bako nyora skuru yego sana buko batalire ya semo gusoba akirishi na bachisi munateba usoba nyore asina bichiriga gwa screen ya suli ra television ya semo gusanga na intubono mambia gendera gutulikira ujumbe na kugwa mangana yama ya ansenchira bene nikirule kwa ndugu msajili bwana Langat. Labda tukiangazia juu ya malazi ya accommodation pale shuleni Kitutu Masaba. Kuna wanafunzi pale angependa kutoka hata kule Rift Valley ambapo umetoka wewe, angependa kuishi pale Kitutu Masaba. Mwanafunzi mwingine anatoka afaa Kisi kule Nyangusu, angependa kusoma na Kitutu Masaba. Kuna mambo ya malazi accommodations pale.
Asante sana. Within the institution we don't have accommodation, but we have the ongoing project which is linked to affordable housing.
Oh yes.
So that one now in the next 1 hour we shall be in the next 1 year we shall solve the issue of accommodation. But now what we have done as an institution, we have partnered with the surrounding community, the landlords within the surrounding. So we have talked to them so that they ensure that we have enough accommodation for our students. So students too wakitoka nje ya gate they find accommodation all the way up to the center Pirongo. We have accommodation. So far we don't have shortage in accommodation. All students are catered for.
Mwalimu Choinkira kwa niriguru ya mangana yobo menyo warokiwa
amangana yo menyo ase Kitutu Masaba kagetentu ebangite buya Kitutu Masaba currently ntobwate investors ntobwate bali basongo kaine iga bagachire chinyumba so ntobwate shidende yonse mwana kachire nega toko mosoi ase chi hostel chire around the college na currently school negendete kwagaja the hostels ego chako accommodate 350 units ya bona hiyo na bego cha kwa accommodate abana bonse bali barache so mwana onde bwensi otete gocha Kitutu Masaba tanya ko bana obo banganga ingocha komenya ya ntubwate chi hostel chi saine chi kwa accommodate abana funzi around the college.
Mwemete mwanafunzi abaibuli abange ndiro mwanafunzi gusoma ibuli yakwibulia maswali nga bono nchingiro mwana one Kituru Masaba gali ngale sana andake tukukwanira amangana wa kwenda accommodation kwanira ngamangana jobulindi security wise usalama wa wanafunzi
amangana yobolendi
ase skulu ya Kituru Masaba
amangana yobolendi ase skulu ya Kituru Masaba kagete nga ali ntubwate obulendi obuya ande namonekero togwansa na edin ya banafunzi so edin ya banafunzi nero gwakikisa kwamba nga omwana kala achile nero maite nga yago chikomenya so nero kumorokate ase hostel yago chikomenya na ekera mwaroketli na bagufuatilia edin ya itone bwata chi conduct cha various hostel abantu babwata chinyumba bonekero mwanafunzi achile edinero kumwarokate na ndo nabwata chinamba chionse cha tenants cha around the Kitutu Masaba bonekera mwa airo mwana ororo nero kubwati mwana msevu ale so nketenga safety as a security within Kitutu Masaba ele catered for na anene mono yene principle which yaroba in contact na tabe chinyumba so amangana security within Kitutu Masaba ele okay ntubu atishidende onse mwana na baga omuiboli tigale to mwana na ndabe comfortable nga umwana wene ale asale safe. Yes.
Pengine msajili bwana Langat ukizungumzia mambo na usaidizi wa serikali government scholarship katika shule ya Kituru Masaba. Unajua wakati huu pengine kuna ule mzazi analia anasema hana kitu na angependa kuleta mwanafunzi bale ama kuna yule angependa kusoma lakini mambo ya school fees ni ngumu kidogo. Je, government scholarship kwa shule yenu kama msajili mwanafunzi anapofika pale kuna usaidizi gani anapata kwa serikali?
Yeah. Our institution is a government institution,
yes.
A public institution, and according to the fee structure of the government, we are supposed to charge 67,189 per year. So that means what module we are supposed to charge 22,389. Now, out of this 22,000, you find that the government is paying scholarship. So when a student enter our institution, we apply for them scholarship, and then we apply also help. Now that will cover over 70% of the total school fees. So you find out of the 22,000 per term, the student is supposed to pay only between 5,000 and 10,000. So the government has input in terms of fees. So that has made education in Tifa to be low, to be affordable. Yeah.
Ekero tukuja kuligilia magana igu mwalimu uchoi amagana yechi semese skuru ya Kituru Masaba andake umwanafunzi nali gali boni gukwebulia mabulia mangi sana skuru ya Kituru Masaba ngo chiororo aro inchero muntu mwanchite bintu binde na chigosoli ko curricular activities mwateli bage skuru yi
asante sana umuralia seli bagelio ko curriculum ase skulu ya Kitutu Masaba tunyeteli bagali nene mono anene mono ele nga ebwateli bagali onse ekogala ntobwate mechieso awo olio anjite football mangana enkoyo no tobwata bachesachi mono munanga last time tobwate competition we went to national we went to national last competition so mangana yenkoyo ntole biya sana not even ne koyoka ntobwate mangana yo buminyoki na buminyoki ntoete school ali baga sana sa practice no bago chibakole practice no korwabu at least banyoranga mbale buya na ntobwate amangana yorena ya matero music Beyonce it's under co-curriculum. Beyonce pia se Kitutu Masaba ntodiete libagali nene mono asabana bagokola emechiesa yabo. Nende ekigana kigia tobe kilinyo na sempeo ekolo tuachile almost 2 times national. So co-curriculum ase skulu yetu ya Kitutu Masaba ne skulu tu ya Togoleti asensemo ya emechiesa. Yeah.
Bwana Langati, taasisi haiwezi kuwa taasisi bila kuwa na mambo ya mitihani na mwanafunzi lazima tainiwe. Ukizungumzia masuala ya mitihani pale shuleni, wewe kama msajili mnafanya nini kuhakikisha kwamba mwanafunzi amepata cheti anapomaliza pale, na mitihani ni ipi mwanafunzi anapitia pale shuleni?
Okay, for assessments we have three assessment bodies which they are assessing our students at Kitutu Masaba. We have NEC, and then we have a TVET, SIDAC, and then we have NITA. Now, in terms of assessment, now we are focusing so much on TVET SIDAC, which is now the new system. It's assessing the new curriculum, which is modular. And then we have also NITA, which is close to that. Now, for the lower levels, like level 3 and 4, assessment is purely practical oriented. It's 90% practical. The 10% that remains is only based on oral. You are not asked to write, but you are asked, as you do something, you answer a question. So assessment at lower levels is very simple, and I can guarantee you that everyone.
Kwa hivyo kwa ile mwanafunzi pengine anaogopa, mimi nikienda kule shuleni na sijui kuandika sijui nini, aweke uoga kando. Naam.
Huko hakuna kuandika when you are starting at lower levels. Unless now when you are at level 5 and 6, then now we introduce the written assessments. Yeah.
Mwalimu Choi, kwa nini mwanafunzi ulio lekali andaka igeto singrasi 8 agatiki skuru singrasi 3 agantiuja Kitutu Masaba asome ekusyobo bundi, lakini mwarokera kuinga matemnaka huko mina hadi ngikulikulika njetima itikulika ngakingoja kwa beka ngamangana yu mwalimu akwane
amangana yu mwalimu akwane na arekene ekero mwana ndo bwensio bwato bwo babwe amatemu ase eskuru ya Kitutu Masaba igonko matebya tiko bwoba ekogera amatemu togo koria ase Kitutu Masaba nene mono chireve chinke from level 3 mpaka 4 na 5 currently ebagokora amatemu a practical purely onye no korosie computer kingoja kwa ubori omwana aki computer ye ngaki koroku nkieke okomwa ebintu bile practical okora onye no go chabula ne computer onye chabula na kabisa ando irani so eyo more exam yele under practical ntobu ati theory elego chia ekalo mwana funzi ya rule from level 3 achile akwenda level 6 anotobwate percentage ya theory na nene mono nyo kalago chia level 6 etobwate percentage ya 70 practical and 30 theory. So mwana onde bwensi omwana ofunzi onde bwensi obwato bwanga nguchinde kwa ego matemu a theory ya ntuliko koli theory at the level the lower levels etoko koli theory the higher levels na nde theory yele 30% na practical kaba 70%. Yeah.
Ekero sense meyo andake ngwa kwa nere lilikuwa liko toera iguru ya bwa Kitutu Masaba banga mbwati kopita chinyingi ya seskuru chimashini umurubuli yokurunga chitume program yo kwa nere nga seskuru hii
ambuye mwana umuralia abuno narenge gocha ntobwate e program ya jitume abande na bala ibolinga program kiye jitume ne program eserikali yaletete yo gokonya aba ebijana ebinge bitabwate gasi bona program ye ni gocha ntobwate program ye college ogocha twagosomia onye tumetiko tumie computer entegetanga nitokala no gosomia omaime no gotumia computer ekaro kwa mailego otumie computer then twago connect na kyo wenda gukora egas online so jitume ne initiative ye serikali le partnership na means of education na company le ku Technopoly so baunganete bakarose program ye saji that ekonye abana abijane ebinge bitabwate gasi so basically karo gwachire college course ye ntoligo nye church yani ntoligo sabanga tuligwakanira ogocha twagosomi free twakora kire endo free then twakwa opportunity yo gukora egas online bange na babala bolinga ngasikie togochi twakara online online tobwati gas chinyinge tobwate egas ya data entry yani ogo oko
kubeka mangana ase mitandao
mangana ase mitandao nandi ntobwate egento tokorokanga content writing nandi ntobwate ebinto for example muna online marketing bona no mwanafunzi akala manyire course yeye tokomo connect n'echi platform echiga at least nele anyale kwane living nandi muna natabile free bono muna kotutwa chakete course actually in Kitutu Masaba to a train about over 400 students bagocha ba train to our muna bagwenda ko colleagues online nandi to aba mentor kada to aba train to ko mentor such that banyale kwelika okwelika kaloko kola egas online so eyinele chitume program nande anene mono eyenero ekwende litokoroka nga bottom up iliko igwete nga president yagoteba so kaleta gere omwanafunzi anyala gosoma kaloko klikie computer kwanyala kurusie gento tokoroka nga dola so eyo nero jitume program yes.
Asante sana Mwalimu Choi. Pengine tunapoendelea msikilizaji, niingie kwa ndugu Langat Victor, mambo ya usajili wa mitihani, exams registration. Najua pia ni vizuri mwanafunzi kuelewa shule ama taasisi ya Kitutu Masaba mko na mpango gani katika masuala ya usajili wa mitihani?
Asante sana kwa kusajili mtihani. We register for assessment every term. So mwanafunzi anapoingia but currently for those who we are admitting this May, they will sit for the assessments in November. So between now and September is the registration time. So students who want to register should have their KCPE and KCSE copies for assessment registration. And now they start preparing between now for level 4 between now and November for assessment. But for NITA, once we admit, we register straight away for assessment, which is due in August. So every time also we have assessments for NITA.
Andake gukwanira engane igayo kwerikia kwa matemu mwalimu asamwa ibuli uliotagerate aigwe ngane bia
asa matemu aitokoroka assessment ndubwate currently kwende ya SIDAC whereby mwanafunzi agokora matemu after twateba module agokora amatemu after a module intangani so module intangani akoleje muna aikile iga school register matem at the end of the module okora matem so ndubwate matem na bakora module 1 amo promote yage the module 2 amo promote yage ndai mpaka module 6 of which module 6 ego qualify for level 6 eyun elenda SIDAC na ndubwate muno mwalimu atebile amatemwa Anita mostly chibwate short courses na iga Anita naro na bakokora matem from the start na mwana go akora matem kulingana na level. For example mostly Anita bwate chilevo chiti chinke aba mwana ako register okora matem at the end of the term
ni sawa omwanchi muligirire ekatuja kusanga asinchira ya benekigima na balimu abiga kuruga ase studio nayo mwenyene nabo kusangara buli swali ukwa ne school ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College yema seyemo asinchira benekigima tukuja kusanga tukulilia mangana mange keroto ogenda kusanga 0741583878 0726447367 bakubiri swali wakwanire obatebi congratulations na sinchi skuru iganya toiri semichingia na adugo tobo nsubu yabwa masomo bunabakoleta kurugali skuru ya Kitutu Masaba Technical Education College kusikuru ya babundi ya Kitutu Masaba. Pengine kwa mwalimu kwa msajili bwana Langat, tukiangazia masuala ya uingizaji wa wanafunzi yani intake, vipindi zenu ni zipi na ni lini na mnakuwa na uingizaji mara ngapi katika shule yenu?
Okay, for our institution we have 3 intakes in a year, starting with January. We have an intake in January, and then we have an intake in May, and then we have an intake in September. So currently we are admitting students for May, and the admission still ongoing up to next week. Yeah.
Engana yino nyebeke chinguru.
Yes, se chinteke mnango mwalimu atebire etobwate chinteke isato tobwate asomwaka tobwate inteke ntangani yele January abanafunzi bagosoma January, inteke ya kabere tobwate May na intake ya gatatu tobwate September. Munaboniga it's May ntogendete go admit abanafunzi ba May intake. So iko tobwate chi intake isato asomwaka kakwa misiri January nabo gocha soe May, kakwa misiri May nabo gocha soe September. Yes.
Mwalimu kidogo because najua kwamba mwalimu alizungumzia juu ya Kitui Masaba kuwa Center of Excellence katika masuala ya refrigeration. Unazungumzia hapo, hii ni nini mnakuwa nayo katika shule yenu?
Yeah, shule yetu ni Center of Excellence in Refrigeration and Air Conditioning. And it is only in Lake Region.
Yes.
We are only the Center of Excellence in Refrigeration. And here we do, this course is new to the community.
Yeah.
Na sana huwa those who are doing that work now walisomea cost. But now we have it at Kitutu Masaba. So in refrigeration we train on repair of fridges, designing and installation. Not only fridges but air conditioning. So in our buildings, even here in studio, we have refrigeration, air conditioning.
True.
You need a technician to work on that. In all offices, we have air conditioning systems. In our homes, we have fridges. So basically, there is a work for refrigeration. It's only that we have not understood what is refrigeration and air conditioning. We have also opportunities in hospitals, banks, and almost every office. So refrigeration is now taking over the other engineering courses because it's new and there is still market. Yeah.
Kommente rule kende asingani yu mwalimu Choi.
Ngane yuno mwalimu atebire kana bere igo nga Kitutu Masaba etole Center of Excellence ase mangana ye chief fridge na fridge muna atebire gasaba libataigwe umuntu oyu ni goto gosomia abana yumna bako repair chief fridge bako balera muna bako install fridge
bako yeka
ya muna bako tumia chief fridge anene mono chief fridge echi ntobwate ase chikoba pride bono nabono ena nyombo konyorange fridge no bwate ya gosalikeire nguko chikorigia no yosomile fridge anene mono nga ibago chikokolegas na bagokora se chinyagitari na se chibengi na se mostly ase chief fridge chigo chikoba installed ana wanafunzi abago chikokolegas. Yes.
Dako mwenchu muligelia sensemili bali batulikire ujumbe ntabagulisi miyago babire batatu bono mabioraga ndi usagana bali mubayiga aiga anse studio tubanga enamba yetere 0741583878 na 0726447367 kuna tuale ngani dosi kwa usagana tugaiga urabono baide umugwana nalega ukwani ya mwalimu Choi yakurunga boy nyabuto kuruchensa machirichia anyabisase agatainga vile jirani ya mungi sana, shukrani sana. Naona kwamba wengi wameandika na kulinga mambo na driving. Joshua Mugire, do they over driving courses kwa lingine kwa ndio tio korambona nyoli na buko ile nilibuli ilio. Asante sana Calvin Osiemo kwa listening live. Stembakura Omogonchoro ndigireti na gotegera asante sana. Damarisa Undali yeye pia anasema yuko ndani, anasema eko kwa Kitutu Masaba Technical Vocational College. Asante sana. Pengine nichukue simu 2-3 Motegerali Sigetembe FM na Getembe TV. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning. Nsaligo bulakire bya.
Ebo kietebya Geoffrey Somone kurochisa mu chama Simba City.
Litanga ningwa kambi ya mona singi abari mu abo batemere kwa eresa igoro yeskule ya Masaba.
All right.
Nabona ihure ya digabona nataka bakomire namba ya WhatsApp. elinderende tokonyora bana tubatume jarumbi yamona.
Asante sana. Namba ya ino anasema msome namba kwa simu, mpatie namba ili pia angependa kuleta mwanafunzi pale katika shule yenu. 0741583878 ribuli yago so komenta kwago aseskuru ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College, yani Kitutu Masaba TVC. Bona mambia kirado chichi jumbe ni nyingi sana jikoja nsabuli ya Facebook, nsabuli ya mtandao, nsabuli ya SMS jikiro cha Joshua Orina agontebe gua jing live fundi ya power iseri makara kuruchiso mochichi ya ruarageta le watching live Joshua Nyamatari Express kuruchiso mochichi Nyamataro anasema pia yuko ndani kuligi chiri cha mabuli kirando chegaiga uiga anetiragira kuruchiso mochinya marambe agotabanga na tekera iru murubeli eskuru yo mbakwa nera geosteri geosteri chuo ni chabo gose nchiri chechi. I think kuna kile kitu ulisema kwamba kuna affordable housing, yeye angependa kujua ziko imekuwa ama labda bengine ndiye anaulizia juu ya mambo ya malazi pale shuleni, kwa hivyo labda kidogo ironi ndibuli
kagete ndugu yane yekuru Nyamarambe ntobwate hostel currently ntobwate portable housing yegendete skuru think tlaera lakini nkagete nerange kwera na hostel chinde ntobwate around the college where we have partnered to beire togo sangana chi partner iga to whereby babwate ji nyumba uji twabe kabana funzi ororo. So we are partnered with the investors around the college. Ona baiga na utogo tumia kila wanafunzi bachide tuwaba abanafunzi. Alafu under the security mna tuwateba iga togo dile nedi nele organize yale tu mwanafunzi umubeke hostel kala mubekiro na batokufuatilia ngo mwana yo nsevwale ngobona gento datebi murominto yu nelinga chinyumba nchilororo
libulinde lyabo liwe ya driving ilira ne lyabura nyatamanyete somobwate
driving ntobwate driving school whereby to somia abana na bagwenda ko genda chikali ne chikali echintobwate classes ntobwate A B byonsi ntobwate bono neligo lilia driving ntobwati golinene tobwate ko chagali wakane 9000 choka onyole certificate yago nayo murundi ngobono ndugu yano imote ngoko tebinga driving nero niko ganeti ko cha kusoma no anjile.
Pengine msajili bwana registrar ili ni lako kwa ajili ya msikilizaji ambaye pengine anatutegea moja kwa moja, angependa kuuliza maswali pale shuleni ya kwamba ikiwa ni taasisi ya kiufundi na unajua kuna wanafunzi ambao wanatoka mbali lakini pia wangependa kusoma katika vipindi mbalimbali. Mode of study. Kuna mtu kama mimi ningependa kuja kuongeza masomo. Mode of studies kwenu ni gani?
Okay, kwetu mode of study mainly is regular where our trainees study full time. But for short courses we can organize, we are doing also part time. That is the time that if you don't have a class like for regular then you can attend the short courses like packages and driving. Yeah, but the other programs they are regular programs.
Bikango chingurunga niyo
muna mwaigura tebirigo olinga ntubwate chi program toko wa part time. So anene mono Kitutu Masawe tubwate regular whereby omwana agocha kolwa ya mne school ya igorwa that is from May to maybe July. That's regular matukoye school na ntubwate chi short course chitoko chi short course era tubwate any time abagocha during the matukoye school gose ocha matukoye rusa. So asingencho yayo e college mbone gokina ntura tuwale gento gekoro kunga part time lakini ntolengere tiko cha konyebeka at least such that to accommodate kero muntu. So meanwhile aseboniga etobwate egento gekoro kuregula ogosoma matuko alia bekili school. Yes.
Bwana Langati, kwa mambo machache, mbona mtu achagui Kitutu Masaba Technical ama chuo cha kiufundi cha Kitutu Masaba, na asichague chuo cha kiufundi cha Unsarigo Geoffrey, mimi mwenyewe ambaye niko hapa.
Kwanza kabisa nataka kusema where we are heading
Yes,
as a country we are heading to technical skills. Technical skills, we talk of hands-on skills
Now.
that you are able to do. If you are able to do, then you have a bright future. Unaweza kosa kazi, lakini if you have a technical skill, you are going to survive. You will get something to eat that day. Now, why choose Kitutu? Kitutu Masaba, we have diverse courses ranging from engineering, business, agriculture, and fashion, cosmetology. So we have covered almost all courses that we are that are marketable. Two, Kitutu Masaba, we offer quality training. If you can rate our services, we are, I can say 100% in terms of delivery of quality training. And we have also good infrastructure. And also at Kitutu Masaba, we nurture talents. We have those trainees who are good in maybe football, athletics, drama. We also nurture talents. And those students who are good in talents, they can get scholarship. We can partner with sponsors so that they sponsor them. So that's also the goodness of Kitutu Masaba. Now, generally, in terms of progression also, when you join Kitutu Masaba from, let's say you are at level 3, we will guide you all through from level 3 until you are at level 6. From level 6, you can even enter university and you can study a degree, and you started from level 3. So that's the goodness of us. Thank you.
Obalimu nkimu ntara chole Kitutu Masaba buli ange skuru ya Unsarigo TVs.
Gente nene omuntara nyare ko bagaga chole skuru ya Kitutu Masaba, gente getanga nelinga Kitutu Masaba ne skuru ya serikali. Ele emanyire nationwide. Egento gya kabere nkelinga Kitutu Masaba ntubwate abalimu abaya bagasomi no bumanyi buli bwa igoro sana. Ne egento gya gatatu nkelinga chikosi tubwate chile flexible. Nabo gocha osomenye one term oruororo nando ogende kuliga egasi. Ekero gwachira ali ntu togo impact skills. Ntoligo somi muna abantu bali bago lecture. Etogo koli omwana practical purely.
Ubumanyi bw'amaboko.
Onye nesimi namotebinge ko igoluiga. Onye ne computer namotebinge ko igoluiga. Step by step. Omwana olwabu omanyete kele gento. Ekogere toko deliver practical 70%. Ono gaiga kero mwana akolirega abange nabagotebanga nje namanyire bonti ngo chikokora matem. Lakini tukuko mwen kalisi omwana oyo goteba igonga kora amatemu nande kola such that nonyola opportunity adonsi nabokonyora at least wokolikwa. So Kitutu Masaba nele flexible eko wachikosi chingia nande ne manyire countrywide. Yes.
Wasoro mwenchi muligilinga unsikenda ikomino muruli kurunga etuani ya getembe tu abere na bali bugaba Kitutu Masaba katuwa sangira magana mangi sana asinchira yechisemi nayo mwenyene nkolenginga amangana nama ya sole na ande guanyoro bonso bagabu yisemi emambi ya bono tubanga ibi ya guano 2.7 na getembe television na bono mambia muruli etuani nubu ya buisemi imi ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Training College yemo asemo. Naona kwamba muda wetu pia umeyoyoma, umetupa kisogo kumaanisha kwamba tunamaliza, lakini kwa labda mambo ya mwisho kwa msajili mawili matatu kwa wanafunzi wenu pale, wakufunzi wenu, wazazi, kwa jumla ujumbe wako ni upi? Asante
sana. Tukimalizia na wahimiza wasikilizaji na watazamaji wetu, Kitutu Masaba is a institution, and we are welcoming all of them to join our college. I also take this opportunity on behalf of the principal Kitutu Masaba TVZ to thank Ketembe TV and radio for hosting us, and also to thank our partners, including the parents who have already given us the students. Thank you.
Asante sana bwana Langat, karibu sana wakati mwingine, lakini hatuwezi maliza kabla ni kumaliza kwa kuaga wasikilizaji na watazamaji pale katika mkoa wa Rift Valley pale. Waage kwa Kilua bana. Hata hapa ndani tuko na wanafunzi wetu ambao wanasomea uandishi ambao pia ni wa maeneo ya kwenu. Waambie kwa Kilua, waambie waage tu.
Okay. Natare ra show ninyo nebo Ketembe TV alenchini kostoik kyok ak erik kyok chebo television nebo Ketembe that Kitutu Masaba ko Technical College ako kitochok tugul en Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College sikekoin skills lagok kyok sikosopchigei in future. Thank you.
Aki wallahi agent yuko na in future. Mwalimu, wakina yoma eli getuko kura.
Magana ne omwele ne ndaga ni kwa kila wanafunzi baite college mbiye mono ande ko basaba bagendere comment kana na ngwa kila abayiboli baito mbiye mono asogotwa abanafunzi nande nko baleminga abanafunzi babo mbabwate security ele igoro amasomo bali biya nende gento kya kabele ndakele owe principal ya itumbi ya mono ase o comment ni college na soko lete college ya sobwarubo ekogera since achite college kwetenge college ya sukile getambukiro ento kende angwa kambi ya mono ase Ketembe TV asoko to opportunity ye yogo market ya school ya ito nene mono na intito lwe getambukiro gochie kende at least onyale ko guro college ya ito egento kende nda tebenga asabali monsi mondoche ngo bakelambia mono na ndi nabakwaniri nabakwaniti abande ngo bakwani mbia mono nabango benyira abana baminto mungwana Silas mungwana Kefa ngo bayibora ngo bayinyira abayiboli bane sebale na chikasi ndicyane cyonsi nabakwaniriye nande ngo batebinga nonde Kitutu Masaba nande nyasaye bwanchile nabato kolegasi ase school. Asante.
Mbiyono sana kolenginga asante sinchu wako ndi bantu aminu mbiyono sana. Fasuru mwenchumu lijolinga kufikia hapo ndipo tunafikia mwisho. Asengambo tu abwatema mbia bono n'abalimu kurugali skuru ya Kitutu Masaba ayo mwenyere gwategera kwaligiria imukiye tambukiro nyora masoma mayase skuru iga unawatikiro kuma yegeiga ase skuru tubanga bona Victor Langat ni msajili pale katika taasisi ya Kitutu na pia bona Uchoi no mwalimu utenda maganali each computer ase skuru elia na kwa niaba ya bonsi ayo muligiri motegereri yekusiki mtusagara kima mbia bono geiga ase studio ukwanera Wilfred Matundura kwanera mungono kurunga Osoro pamoja na mungono kurunga Simon Unyancha ubonsi tu abgatana mungono kurunga nere Eugene Amatogo kura sensema liendeyo kweneke maliogi abairabuya abayigo omugaka onkorgo na Matilda Obaigwa ngote nga bye for now. God bless you so much. Chikurwa Geoffrey Sarigo tumerane chiga kichinde kanya sawancha tigarabuya.
This is